Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable, how to customize and how to turn off double press power button as a shortcut in Realme 14x phone. So first of all we need to go to settings. Then in settings we're looking for accessibility and convenience. Then we need to scroll all the way down to the dynamic button option. First we need to enable dynamic button, and here we have our power button shortcut. So we can double tap it, we can double press it, there's a difference, we can swipe up and down on it. So we are interested in the double press option, so here it is. We can disable this specific shortcut if you want to, or we can customize it a bit by opening this option right here, and we have some presets if we want to. Of course we can customize it a little bit more. For example, we can even open an app that we want to. And that's all. Goodbye.